CISCOMPASS. Otis Cummins Rolls!
It's lift tour time! Outside Voiceovers 101. This is Victoria University Pipitea campus. And first we go to Wellington Station and along to the first lift, which is a Schindler M series hydraulic, which goes to stops A, B and C. Here is a lift at Wellington Central Station, 90 Schindler. And here it is. Looks pretty grotty. It's got a ground. Please don't tell me I'm going to get trapped. Lightning tight cab looks nice. Doesn't sound good. Capacity is 11 persons, also 8 kilograms. Button already went out. Thank goodness we're here. I'm not taking the ride down. Buttons on here being replaced. If you tell me this elevator urgently needs an upgrade, it looks pretty grotty. And, if possible, can you please make it scenic? That's it. Escalator, and it's the wrong thing as usual. And now we go to the lift up to the bus stops D, which is the exact same as the last one. Here is the other lift at the station. And see someone broke the door close button. And this time the indicator works. It says 0, but it's actually ground. Don't know what the button was, please. 780 kilograms, all even persons. You're at ground. Take a right. Nice water. Ride back down. Lightning tunneling cab. Hi guys! Anyways, I am in a bit of a hurry because I've got a bus to catch. And I'm alone. I think I'll come to you in 3 minutes. This is lift number 2 though. 0. No time for the door close. I'm so late. That's it. And now to the next, which is an office building, which is part of the university, except it's not anymore. And these have some awesome situation code egress. And let's put it into priority service just by a button outside of the lift. And these are some eco discs. Let's go. Let's find one. And here is the lift. Guess what? We're getting a priority bus to floor 5. Oh, it's gone priority service. Let's hold it down. Oh, it's locked. So this must go into priority service, I guess. Right. I'm so going to know how to operate priority service. Lightning type cab. This is an awesome lift. Rail level 4. This was installed in 2004. Tell me it's locked. And that is your I guess. Rail level 4. And what? There should be a button there. Let's go down. It didn't light up. It's gone out of priority service. Ground. Power. Comey. Eco disc. Well, it's the first time we got to see it on priority service. There's only a button outside that turns it into priority service. What the fuck? Never seen that before. But it is an amazing feature, is that right? Gone back into priority service. I think the lift has got some type of problem. All lifts are now on floor ground. That is it. And now to a nice old lift, which is now modernized into CS1. And sadly, oh no, it's locked! Oh dear. So now we go to the railway station offices, which looks like it actually has some boring genericals of Otis concrete. But no, it is actually an Otis Series 1 on the inside. This is the awesome office building. Sadly, look what the lifts are. generics. Here is a lift, I guess, and wait, this is one of these generic outside, except look what it has inside. Oat what? Can't go to. Oh yeah, we can go to 4. Well, of course I will. I'm not. This is Otis Series 1. What? I thought it was a generic. Oh, it's big 60. Whatever kilograms or 13 persons. I think I just saw a glitch. Here we are, 4. And the stairs continue going up to 5. And yeah, it's that on the outside. So it does go a floor higher, except, yeah, how weird. Let's go down. Let's go to G. Oh my god, door close when you push a button. Capacity 1,134 kilograms or 16 persons. Yeah, that's weird. Why does it do that? I thought this was an Otis L. It's got generic on the outside, but it's actually Otis Series 1? What? Sadly, the controls have been modified a bit. But look at that. That is so weird. And you know, let's actually see what happened and watch it. And the other lift is the same. See what happened and watch it go. Now look at this. Isn't that nice? And now we go to the main tower in the Pipitea campus, which used to have some awesome tips, except now been replaced into cone eco discs, and they now have the portrait KDS buttons. So annoying! I wanted expressions, not these pieces of Elvis. Anyways, capacity is 1,000 kilograms or 16 persons. Elevator, tool indicator. Anyways, that's your switch, lightning, timing, your cab, and your RFID card. Wow, this is so fast. It's so exciting. Oh, if the light's out, then you can't access the floor. And yes, they do have a PI on every single floor. Let's let these guys go.
Yeah, sorry. Where are we going?
Oh wow, door goes button works. Look at the indicator. I wonder what the lowest public floor is. So you can go to 12, you can't go to 5. But I already went out.
So are we just staying in the lift or what?
Here we are, 12. Wow, looks grand. Yes, we can go to basement, which is weird. Let's see what's down in the basement.
I'd say it's a car park, wouldn't you?
Yeah, I agree. Anyways, this is filmed on Friday after school. It's a real good time to film lifts.
1st of September.
Mezzanine, ground. Welcome to basement. And here we are at the basement. Up to sign. And let's see what's down in the basement. That's if it's not working. And let's get back up to ground and end there. Anyways, let's talk. Watch the button part.
Ground floor.
And here we are at the ground floor. Yeah. Oh, you can't really see that properly. I think the lift used to be expensive. And now we go to the old government house. And along to the main lift, which are some Schiller M-shoes, which have had new indicators fitted in. Hey guys, this is we visit to one of my favourites. Some awesome Schiller M-series, which really interesting. And this is on the weekdays. These M-series, they have M-series indicators, which I skipped. Why do they have these generic indicators as well? It just makes sense. Yes, they do, which logic. This is awesome fast lift. Looks like it's also okay, so let's go to 3. Lightning, timing, cab. This is awesome Schiller M-series. Capacity 14 girls about 100 kilograms. About 3. I think it says the D. Wow, it has a PR on every floor. That's very you see. Let's go down by pressing this. This awesome animation happens. Are you going to ground, sir? Yep. So just going to ground. Yeah, that is just so nice. Yes, this goes all the way on 100 kilograms. Ground. And look at this awesome animation. And the best part is it keeps on going.
I also went and visited these restaurant weekend, and on the weekend, well, floor 3 was locked and the other floors were pretty dark.
These are the lifts in the government building. To indicate it, that's weird. Lift. Let's see the highest above floors. 3. Oh, we can go to 2. That's weird. Lightning time. Camp. Hi, guys. Indicator. This is the fastest. So it goes around kilograms. Ready up. Let's go. And oh, there we are. It takes a bit of pushing. Indicator again. Okay, so we can't go to 3. So that's locked. Elsa's channel has filmed these lifts before. Really awesome 90 shows. Let's go. And it keeps scrolling. Yeah, you can see over here. And that's it.
And now we go to an awesome express gated lift. Original from the 1920s or even older. Let's take a look at it. And oh boy, this is definitely so old.
This bus is kind of freaky. Look at it come down. This one has manual doors. We will take we might. I think we'll take 1 floor. Look. Single speed. Now, it does need a gate to open. I'm pretty afraid to open gates, but it does say it doesn't have automatic doors. Just looking inside it. Now, let's see if it's single speed on floor 1. So let's go up to floor 1. Let's see if we can work on the single speed. I have ridden this gate lift, but look at the original car top control. It's awesome car top control, right? So let's go. Is it single speed? And it is single speed. Ridiculous. And that is your look at a nice awesome gate lift.